from the store. So it's more like creation of order in e-commerce and picking up from a store. Now let us see how Xstore point of sale facilitates. Now on the POS screen, let me log into the POS. And again, it is asking me to link a sale associate. So let me link a sale associate. And it is asking me to add a customer. Let me skip that again because I can do it anytime in a transaction. So now we are on the POS screen. As I had mentioned earlier, in the extended transactions button, we have a list of different transactions that we can do. We have seen the same sale, and there are many more. But the one very specific that we are referring to right now is the orders. So the F2 button that you see here at the bottom is the order button, which helps us integrate with the order management system of Oracle, or in fact any order management system that the retailer has. So we can integrate with the order management of Oracle, which is an out-of-the-box integration, or the Xstore point of sale can integrate with any order management system. So let me go to orders, and here it is giving me an option of searching for the orders. Let me search for what Nancy had ordered, and let's see if it brings up. So we have two orders created by Nancy. One is a pickup order and one is a delivery order. The pickup order is something where the customer can create an order on online or on e-commerce and can request to pick it up from a nearby store. So the customer can create online and go to the nearby store and then look for the item, try it out. If it's an electronic item, look for the features and then buy the item. That is one. The other one is where the customer has ordered it online and wants it to deliver to the location. There are two orders. So we'll look at the pickup order first. So let's get into the details of the order. So I'll click on the OK button, and it will take me to the new screen of the orders. So here we see the details of the order, wherein we see the details of the customer, how it has been ordered, and who has ordered it, the delivery address or the customer address, and a whole lot of details of the customer. That is on the left-hand side that you see. On the right-hand side, you see the details of the order, wherein we give the details of the item and if there has been any modifications that are requested by the customer. So all the details of the orders are on the right-hand side. And then there is a button in the bottom, which is to pick up the order. So now consider the customer is in the store, and now he wants to pick up the order. He or she wants to pick up the order. He has tried out the item. He has gone through all the features of the item. Now he wants to pick it up. So we click on the pickup button, and it takes us to the next screen, which is the completion of the order. So it is a very it's similar to the very basic sale transaction on the Xstore point of sale system, wherein you add items to the transaction and you complete it using different tender types available. So you see how easy the integration with a third party or out-of-the-box order management system integration is. So you can create an order online, or you can create an order on your phone or any medium, and using the order management system, you can integrate it with the Xstore point of sale system, and the customer can pick it up from the store, or it can deliver to the store. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to reduce the order completion time, where the customer earlier had to wait all the while to get the item delivered to this location. But here the customer has that he can go to the store, have the experience of shopping in the store. However, they have already ordered on the e-commerce website. So we complete the order by clicking any of the tender types, and that finishes the integration, where it's a complete cycle of creation on e-commerce and completing in the store. So now let's get back to the webinar and see what else Xstore has. Franklin?
Thanks, Chetan. So another key benefit which Xstore provides is that it provides enhanced customer experience. Xstore enables store staff to provide customers with personalized and enriched experience by providing them with quick and relevant customer information. Salesperson can highlight relevant promotions or provide product recommendations like upsells and cross-sells to the customer based on his purchase history or his wish list. The customer information provided to the store staff includes the customer interactions across all channels. Therefore, Xstore plays a key role in enhancing the experience of the customers at the store. Now, Chetan will provide us a demo which highlights customer experience.
Okay, so now let us have a look at how expert point of sale improves customer experience in the store. We've been talking about a lot of customer experience. We're talking about different transactions. We're talking about integrating with the e-commerce. Let's talk about the customer experience. So when you add a customer to the Xstore point of sale, Xstore internally starts tracking all the activities of the customer in the store based on each transaction performed where the customer is linked. So if I link a customer to a transaction and add it to the customer Xstore point of sale, every time the customer comes and shops in my store, the Xstore point of sale has the intelligence of tracking the activity and giving us a summary of what the customer has been doing. So let us see how this happens. Because I've already added a customer, I would look for a customer in the Xstore. So let me log into the Xstore point of sale and skip this. Now I have a customer options button here, which I can use to look at the customer history. So I can go for the customer details. I can see what loyalty awards or loyalty points he has and all. Let me go to the customer options F11. And it is because the customer is not assigned to the transaction, it is asking me to assign the customer. So let me assign the customer and search for the customer here. So I enter the customer details and click on process. So now you have different options here. You can select and continue, you can select and view, or you can create a new customer. So let me click on select and view and get into the details of the customer. So here we are. Here we have a summary of the customer activity. If you see on the right hand side, it says today what all the customer has purchased. There are a whole lot of details available in the activity stream. So this screen gives us information about the customer. When you want the basic details of the customer, you want to figure out the phone number of the customer, you want to know the address of the customer, you want to update something, you can go ahead and do it here. You can click on the edit button here at the bottom, edit customer. You can add the details of the customer. So to assess the customer better, the customer details screen plays an important role. On the screen, we get all the details of the customer, like the summary of the purchase of the customer, like I've mentioned, the activity stream. Also, if I go to the purchase history, here I have all the customer transactions in detail. If you see, there are a lot of transactions that this customer has done. So if I scroll down, I get all the details of the customer. It gives me the details based on the date as well. It gives me the detail based on the location where he's bought, because this is one store that we're looking at. So the store ID is 104, if you can see. The corner market 104 is the store. So all the transactions done by the customer in the store are located here. So this is not just the local information that we get. We also get from cross-store. So if the customer had bought an item from 105 or 106, it could be a different store altogether. So those details are also, you can view those details as well from the screen. So it is more like a centralized repository of all the customer details, and we get all the details in one shot. That being one, now if you look at the right side, there's an icon called graph. So if I click on that, I see the graph of the customer. It shows me the details of the customer in the last 365 days. That is exactly what we see on the left-hand side as well. All the transaction details are for the past 1 year. Based on the sales and returns, if you see, the graph says the sales of this customer are high and the returns are low. So based on this data and the analytics that the customer has, different benefits can be offered to the customer. Apart from the loyalty awards and all, this is another feature where you can view the customer's activity, and move the customer to a different category altogether. That is the first one. Now let us look at the loyalty and awards. You can integrate the Xstore point of sale system with a third party or a homegrown loyalty system. But we also have an out-of-the-box integration with Oracle, which is customer engagement. So the Xstore point of sale system already has an integration. However, it is also flexible to get integrated with the third-party loyalty system. That's another one. Then we have comments about the customer, where you can add comments about the customer. Maybe the customer required something the previous time he had visited the store, and on the next visit he would want something from the store. So those kind of comments is also something that we can store in this Xstore point of sale. And finally, we have a wish list, which can integrate with your e-commerce or a third-party system, where the customer has added something to his wish list, and when the customer is in the store user, the cashier, can use these details to assist the customer better. If you see, this screen gives a holistic view of what the customer is and what the customer expectations are and what we can do with the customer data. So this can integrate with different third-party systems or homegrown systems like loyalty. It can integrate with your wish list, which is an e-commerce, where you can get the wish list of the customer. And based on the customer history, you can do a lot of permutations, combinations to give different benefits to the customer. That is the overview of what customer experience can be.